What's up, you guys? I'm in the bathroom today working on getting this tank set up. And as you can see, I get it. I am 13 years old and I am doing plumbing work in our house. Yeah, awesome. No toilet parts in here, no toilet parts, and over there. This is the OG flush valve for this toilet. As you can see, this is a Home Depot value toilet. And this is how it would have for a flush stand. I don't know about you, I'm not too happy about that. You also had a Chinese fill valve, which I chucked away and put this one in. But recently, I changed out another toilet, which I'll show you soon. And I replaced this, and this out of their toilet. And I'm going to be trying to put this stuff in here today. And if I don't like the results of it, I'm just going to change it back. And I'm going to be making some different designs today. So yeah, I'll be with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so now we have the toilet tank. And we're going to be, hello guys. We're going to be getting this stuff set up. As you can see, I have no shirt on. I'm not trying to be a nude, but yeah, I'm hot. I'm actually not hot as in brown, but you know what I mean. Hot as in, no. But this is the old one. I'm going to be getting these new ones in today, so let's do this. By far, this would be way better for this tank because it gives it so much more water to be able to use. But what sucks is the way that this is designed. I don't know why I put it up like this. Because it's originally supposed to be in here with a short shank. And the way that does is just like that. And this goes all the way down to there. That all the way even in the hole. So with this all the way in the hole, it is all the way down there, plus the rubber. So yeah, that is very ugly looking, and I hate that because it affects the purpose of it. And yeah, I'm gonna have to try to find a way to fix it. Alrighty guys, we're now heading out in my yard area to see if I can find a pipe or something that'll work for that. So yeah. I'm eyeballing this. I don't know if this will be able to do much. Sadly, probably won't, so I'm not going to take that. I'm going to try to figure something out. Probably with these. I'm not sure. That won't work, I know for sure. Or even this. I'm going to try to figure out something, you guys. Trying to figure out what to use. Plumbing box. Nothing in here. That, but that don't mean nothing. That's for welding. Yeah, I can't find nothing. I'm gonna have to take a trip to the Outback. Let's go there. Yeah, well, I'm not exactly Outback, but I did come across this, which I couldn't do nothing. I'm very puzzled of what to do, guys, because I recently did another repair on a toilet, like I said. And there's parts from that, but I don't want to take parts from that because it's all brand new. So, yeah, this sucks. And I know how to do this, but I don't know what to use to do this. There is nothing to use to do this with. It sucks, guys. This really sucks. Please like, subscribe for me. Please go sub to Reese Camp as well. The one with 8 subscribers. I really appreciate it if you go help him. He is trying so hard. Nobody's liking subscribers, so yeah, please go sub to him. I can't find nothing, guys, so we're gonna have to go in the bathroom empty-handed. I can't find anything. I'm gonna go with it. So here we are to the bathroom. Again, that is leaking non-stop, so I have to buy a new one of those eventually. Yeah, let's get into the putting together. Speed this part up now. I'm back, you guys. I made my temporary fix. So kind of not at all, but yeah. So we're gonna get back into the video right now. We're gonna be done using this. That was a bit of a fail. Put that on Funny Vines. Back to the tank restore. Getting rid of those two. And keeping this one. This one is going into the tank. If I don't like this one, then I'll just give it to the other one. It's gonna like this. Back to speeding up the video. See? Right. Makes it to where it goes in one spot into that hole. There we go. Okay. There you go. Thank you. Always lubricate this. So that way it'll last longer. It always does.